Happy Japan Day from I Love New York, and here is a look of the Japan Street Fair, which is taking place alongside of Central Park on West 69th Street. This is happening on May 14th of this year. The parade was earlier, along with a lot of wonderful performances. Some of them you may have seen at cherry blossom festivals like Ten Takamai. The cosplay element is very prevalent. That could be because there was no official Sakura Matsuri with performers and cosplay at the Brooklyn Botanic Garden this year. And there is a rather famous icon that is here today, and we are in walking proximity as we celebrate Japan Day and visit the Japan Street Fair. Now, it's similar to other street fairs. There's food out, and it's after the parade, so it gives everyone a place to convene. But I'm noticing, and if you could see this gentleman's shirt here, all of the shirts say Japan Parade. And when I had originally attended this event, it was Japan Day. So it looks as if there may have been a rebranding of Japan Day Central Park NYC. And you can get yourself a Japan Day tote bag. Here it is. This is the most famous and easily recognizable member of pop culture. It is Hello Kitty. And Hello Kitty is here until 4:30. Now that certainly is a happy Japan Day.
Thank you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Cute and fun. How long is the line to visit with Hello Kitty? Not too bad. And that is a free visit with the one and only Hello Kitty. Arigato. Here are some beautiful fashions that we'll often see at Japanese events. That often spans out of adoration for Japanese anime, sometimes from the visual kei artists. That's a combination of a really eccentric glam metal and goth rock combination. Some of the J-pop artists also dress up in their finest. Again, Japan Street Fair. And for proximity purposes, we will walk to the end of the block as it is Central Park. And you could see the path and where all of the parade activity takes place to start the day. And that's where you can see a plethora of performances, all for free. Keep that in mind. So this is a day of entertainment, cultural celebrations, welcoming spring, although the cherry blossoms in Central Park are not in bloom right now. The flag of Japan flies with the United States.
There's all kinds of street food somewhere.
We'll come back and give a read to that, but let's take a look at this sign over here. Japan Street Fair. These are the events that are taking place here today on Saturday, May 14th. Food tents, activities. Hello Kitty photo booth is the one that we highlighted here, and the service tents And now let's go take a read over here to this sign. Japan Street Fair. The Japan Parade will show the New Yorkers the comprehensive appeal of Japan. Everything from drums, that'd be the taiko drummers, dance and martial artists, to animation. This event also will further strengthen the Japan-US exchanges. And one of the earlier things which makes perfect sense to see the United States of America flag flying together here with the United States of America flag. One of the first things that I saw in one of the earlier press releases, this is a thank you from the Japanese community to the United States for being so welcoming, and they offered a day of free cultural performances as a thank you. And I gotta say, I love it, and I hope they continue to do it. And happy Japan Day from ever beautiful, I love New York.